it's of course a relatively straightforward idea. It was May '09 we visited the company. We had visited it a number of times, and one of the guys in the office had visited with him over the decades. And so it was predicated on the idea that we were only building 500,000 homes in America. Right. And yet on a sustainable basis, population, demographics, you're going to need to build at least 1 million homes in America. Right. And the industry was clearly going through a bad time and a corrective process. Mm-hmm. We thought that Builders FirstSource was one of the companies that would be able to survive through that process. Mm-hmm. And in an environment of 1 million home production, we thought the earnings potential of the business was dramatically higher than the indicated price of the company was at the time. Mm-hmm. So therefore, it made sense. And we continue to kind of invest in the industry and spend a lot of time and think about it and continue to develop that thesis. Mm-hmm. Because today we still own most of the stock we bought. And a typical value investor looking at the numbers today on a trailing basis, it's not the kind of stock that is a value stock. It doesn't have tangible assets. Mm-hmm. The historical numbers in recent years, of course, doesn't justify the current price of the stock. But yet the conviction we've developed in looking at the business and trying to get the dynamics of what's happening in the industry, bolstered the fact that we think it's still an interesting company today.
Yeah.